Hello, guys. Good morning, and I'm glad you're joining me in this new week, this beautiful morning, this amazing Monday morning as we go into the Forex week and the Forex market outlook for this week. All right, last week we had a lot of political events in the United States, especially with the highlight of the election that happened last week. And this week we are hoping that it would be less volatile compared to last week so that we can have reasonable trade entries and setups to leverage on this week. Regardless, let's hope for the best and let's ensure that we are trading carefully with our money management in place and be sure of our setups before we pick the trades. All right, so very quickly this morning, I will just go straight to the market outlook for this week so that we can see how we can leverage and what are the things we should look out for this week for our own profit for the week. All right, so let's move on. Let's start with crude oil. All right, so last week we saw crude oil rallied up to this level here, and we saw a decline from that level but could not but came down to this support level here. Yeah, this support level here was well respected. Yeah, the support level there was respected. All right, so we have this now on crude oil. So in essence we are expecting the market to either continue up to this level or continue down to the downward and break this level here. So with what we are looking for there, let's check the 1 hour chart and let's see what's going to happen. All right, so I would be of the opinion that it's possible for the market to still go a little bit up before we have it come down to sell. But let's see how that is going to play out for us on crude oil, and then we'll see how we can take advantage of that. If we check the weekly perspective of crude oil, we would see that the market is still looking bearish over generally bearish. Just that the market might a little bit retest yeah, a little bit retest and then continue the bearish bias. Yeah, continue the bearish bias. So let's move on to gold. This is what we have on gold. All right, gold has broken all the resistant levels and is trading above, is trading higher and higher and higher there. So we can see all right, we can see gold doing this nicely. So, what should we expect on gold? Well, probably these are the rare moments I like to stay away from the gold pair. But this is looking like the next possible resistance on gold. This area is looking like the next possible resistance on gold. Yeah, it's looking like the next possible resistance on gold. So let's see if price is gonna respect that. Let's see if price is going to respect that level. Yeah, so let's watch how price reacts and responds to this resistance level here on gold, and then we'll use that to make our decision if we are going to join the market in the rally or we are going to join the market in the decline. So that is what I'll be expecting on gold for now. And on pound NZD, the market has been ranging over here. It started ranging around here and then broke and started ranging around here. So you can see this level was once a range. Then this level is the new range now. So what should we expect? I don't know. Let's see if the market would break above or below. And then if it breaks above, we have a buy up to this level. If it breaks below, then we have a sell up to the lower level around here. So this is the next possibility for the pound NZD market in case we have a break below, which is a lot of pips. If you calculate that, that's a lot of pips. If you calculate from here, that's about 200 pips. That's about 200 pips. Yeah, that's about 200 pips. All right, so Let's see how that plays out on pound as an NZD, and we'll see how we can take advantage. We can see how we can take advantage of this setup for our profits this week. All right. For pound AUD, I set this channel, this trend resistance on Friday thereabout. So, and we can see that price has broken through it. So what we're expecting now is what it looks like. It's currently forming a rising flag. Yeah, it looks like we are having a rising flag in formation already. So it's possible for the market to keep buying up to this level, which happens to be a confluence. Yeah, so from there it's possible for us to have a sell downward, a sell downward, a sell downward, and then probably a little bit lower as well. So let's see how price is going to behave. All right, so let's see how price is going to behave around this level here. So around this level here, it's a confluence. We could have a rising flag pushing up to this level as a form of a retest of this support level that is now, that has been broken now, because it was a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. It has broken through it here, and now let's see how it's going to hold as a resistance as well, and then we'll use that to make our decision in the market. Before we All right, so we use that to make our final decision on the selling or the buying of that currency pair. So um moving on to pound USD. Pound USD has also broken above um pound USD has broken above this resistance level here. So what should we expect on pound USD? Let's expect what I said we should expect on gold as well. A possible retest on pound USD. This is the pound USD on a daily perspective. Let's see if we can find something interesting. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now let's see how this is gonna play out on the pound USD. Let's see how this is gonna play out on pound USD. Yeah. So let's see what's gonna happen. But I feel there's a better perspective to this. So let's just wait and see what happens today on the pound USD currency pair, and then we use that to we come back to check that, and I will give updates on our premium channel, on our Telegram group for how the market is expected to go. Pound JPY 2 is looking like a possible bullish rally for this week. Yeah, so if we draw this down here, if we draw this down here, this is what we might have. All right, so this is giving us a potential to buy the market. Okay, let's remove that. So it's possible for the market to keep going up to this confluence of resistance. That's a confluence of resistance up there. So it's possible for the market to keep going up. Very possible for the market to keep going up. But we are going to watch out, and we're going to see how the market reacts to this within this area. If it goes up, fine. If it doesn't go up, fine. We wait for it to break below here, and we just keep watching, and we follow, and we see what's going to happen there. This is another thing you should also watch out for. We should also watch out for this on pound JPY. So let's see how this is going to give us this. Let's see how this is going to play out, and we can take advantage of that. Card JPY, card JPY, card JPY is also at an interesting area. It's also at an interesting area. So, what should we expect? Well, let's see if price stays above this resistance or if price goes back below this resistance. If price stays above the resistance, fine, we find a good entry. That's if it retests, of course. And if it does not go above the resistance, it goes below. It could also give us a potential. So let's just wait and see what's going to happen on CAD JPY for this week. Euro JPY has tested the resistance level. That's tested resistance level. So let's see if this level is going to break or this level is going to hold. Remember, I drew something here last week, and it has played out, of course. So this is what I drew last week: X A B C and D, and it's playing out. Let's see where price is currently at now. All right, price is currently is close to 50% retracement. So most likely would have a spike up here or up to this level, and then we'll have a possible reversal in trend or continuation in trend. So let's wait and see how that is going to happen, and we are going to take our advantage from there and push on from there. CHFJ provides to the same thing, and it's currently at a key level here. So it's currently at a key level here. So let's wait and see how price reacts to this key level. Let's wait and see how price reacts to this key level, and we'll take advantage of that from there, and we'll move on from there as well. So Euro USD for now, I'm going to ignore. I'm going to come back to it later. Yes, the CHF, I'll be expecting a retest up to this level. Yeah, that's what I'll be expecting this week. I would expect a retest this week. If I don't see a retest this week, well, it's highly unlikely because the markets will definitely give us a retest. Will definitely give us a retest. Yeah, it will give us a retest. Yeah, to give us a retest. So let's just wait and see and expect how that is going to go. That is going. Let's wait and see how that is going to go for this week. So I'll be expecting a retest on USD pairs. So USD card as well has really been on the I don't know the word to use now. It has just been on the word is escaping my mind. But it's just been amazing, just been amazing. So possibly I don't know what we should expect. I'll just come back and watch and see what we should look out for on USD card as well. So, all right, this is something interesting on USD card. This is a support level here that we need to watch. You can see it was a support level here. So, and it's also back down to that level. So, it seems like dollar is against the card now. It is getting to the lowest point in the last 1 year. The last time it was there was 2019, and then 2020 January, and then September 2020. Now it is back there again. So does that mean USA card want to trade lower for the rest of this year, or it will just go back up and keep dancing around there? Let's wait and see, and we'll know what to do with that. NZD card, well, we can adjust this to be up here and still expect this to play out. So, but regardless of that, let's see if this level is going to hold as a support or if it's going to break and continue selling, because it's broke above the resistance. It's held as a support, but let's see if the support is going to hold, and that means we would have a continuation in the rally if that resistance is holding. So there's something you should also take note of here. This level here is also resistance. So if price clears this level as well, then we could have a continuation in the rally in the NZD card market. Now for AED USD, I guess I will just still come back to that. For USD JPY, USD has sold off like other USD pairs. And just like I said about USD pairs, I'm expecting retest on USD pairs this week. So let's also expect a retest on USD JPY as well. For Eurocard has been quite a pair. It has been quite a market. So uh, let's go to 1 hour and see what we can find. This is the 1 hour chart, and this is what we have here. Okay, let's use this. Okay, and if we use this, so this is what we have on Euro card. So which is a rising wedge. All right. So with this rising wedge now, I'll be expecting uh, a rally. I'll be expecting a rally. I'll be expecting a rally first of all before we see a decline. So this is what I should expect on Euro card for now. So pound CHF is still within the range. Really, 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 really not interesting. It has been ranging for since September now. So that's over a month. It's been ranging over a month now. So let's skip that. Euro AUD came back up here, now selling again. What should we expect? Well. I would say we should just wait and see what's going to happen. It's possible for the market to continue to sell, and it's possible for the market to reverse and buy. So for Euro AUD, I would just like to see how price reacts around this zone, and then I'll make my decision later today. After the USD broke up with this channel, yeah, it broke up with this channel, yeah, it's heartbreaking, really, because it has just invalidated this bearish flag, and now we are here. Just like other peers on USD, I'll be expecting the retest as well on NZD USD. So this is the resistance right here, which the price is currently trading at. The price is currently trading at. That's resistance there. So let's see what happens there. All right. So I think that would be the end of the analysis for this morning. I may not be so in depth this morning, but I'm going to be giving updates on the Telegram group as the market is going. So you can just follow the Telegram group using the link in the comment section. So using the link in the description below. So you can just join the Telegram channel from there, and we'll keep all the updates continued from there as well. All right. So I would love you to have a nice day, and enjoy my signals for the month of November. Yeah, it's free for the whole of November. So enjoy.